As a lawyer who frequently represents children who have suffered brain injuries, I get asked the question a lot by other lawyers and my colleagues from around the country. What is different about a child brain injury case compared to an adult? Well, there's a lot of differences, and it mainly has to do with the fact that a child's brain is rapidly developing through various stages of its life, and the most critical portion of a person's brain usually is the frontal lobes, what they call the executive function. And that portion of the brain doesn't really come online until a child reaches adolescence. There's an old saying, that's why teenagers do stupid things, and you kind of outgrow that stupid part of your life when you get into young adulthood. That's because you haven't fully developed those frontal lobes yet. So if a child is injured before those areas of the brain have matured, often you don't really see all the ramifications of that injury until the child gets older. So there's certain things that an attorney has to do differently to develop a child brain injury case. One example from one of my cases is a child who was injured when he was in first grade. Serious injury, but he still tested on grade level in first grade and in second grade and in third grade. But the projections were that this child would improve at a decreased rate relative to his peers and would likely have significant problems as he got older into adolescence, teenage years, and young adulthood. And so those are important things to keep in mind, both for lawyers that pursue those cases and for the clients that are considering hiring lawyers.